In this video, I'll show you how to repost on Instagram using Android phone or iPhone. So if you want to repost someone's post or reels on your Instagram account, then here is how you actually can do this process. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to repost on Instagram, simply go and open up the Instagram application from your Android or iPhone, and from the home page, go ahead and select the post or reels that you want to repost. So let's say I just want to repost this video, for example. So now to do that, every post you'll get to see the repost option right here. You just need to tap on this repost option and the post will be reposted to your profile. And also, if I go to the Reels section here, you'll get to see that every Reels has the repost option right here. You just need to tap on this repost option and the post will be reposted to a profile. If I go back to the profile here and if I refresh the page a little bit and if I scroll down, he'll get to see the repost option has been added to your account. You just need to tap on this repost option and he'll get to see all your posts that you have reposted to your profile. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around and thank you very much for watching.